A very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back to mathematics class. Students, in the previous video, we solved exercise 11.3, question number 5. Today, we are going to learn about equation and solve exercise 11.5. Then we will solve exercise 11.4. So let us learn about equation and solve exercise 11.5. Algebraic equation. A statement where two mathematical expressions are separated by the sign of equality is called an equation. For example, 2x plus y equals to 5. 5x minus 7 equals to 12. 12 minus 4x plus 3y equals to z are all equations. An equation has equal to sign between two sides. The value or expression on left side is called LHS or left hand side, and the value or expression on right side is called RHS or right hand side. For example, in the equation x plus 2 equals to 5, where x plus 2 is the LHS and 5 is the RHS. An equation is balanced if its both sides are equal. For example, 8 minus 3 equals to 5. Thus, we can say that an equation is a condition on the variable LHS and RHS of the equation are equal only for a definite value of the variable. The value of the variable for which LHS equals to RHS is called the solution or root of the equation. Students, you have to remember that the value of the unknown variable which satisfies an equation is known as the root or solution of the equation. Solving an equation. There are certain methods to solve any equation, such as solving an equation by trial and error. Number 2, solving an equation by systematic method. Number 3, solving an equation using the method of balancing, and solving an equation using the method of transposing. Students, we will learn about systematic method and transposition method in next year. Let us learn about solving an equation by trial and error method. In the trial and error method, we substitute different values in place of the variable and check the equality of LHS and RHS. The value of the variable that satisfies the equation is the root of the equation. Now, let us solve exercise 11.5. Exercise 11.5. Question number 1. State which of the following are equations with a variable. Give reason for your answer. Identify the variable from the equations with a variable. Students, in this question, we have to write whether the given mathematical statements are equations with variable or not. We also have to write the variable from the given equation which has variable. Students, we know that an equation is a mathematical statement that uses an equal to sign to show that two expressions are equal. In simple words, we can say that a statement having equal to sign is called an equation, otherwise not. Students, note that in this question there are three types of statements, namely equation with variable, equation without variable, and a statement which is not called an equation. Students, note that if there is no equal to sign or a statement has greater than or less than sign, then that statement is not called an equation. So now, let us solve question number 1. Sum A 17 equals to x plus 7. Students, 17 equals to x plus 7 is an equation with variable x. Students, this statement is called an equation as it has equal to sign and it has a variable x. Now, sum B t minus 7 greater than 5. Students, t minus 7 greater than 5 is not an equation because it does not have equal to sign. Now, sum C 4 upon 2 equals to 2. Students, it is an equation, but an equation without any variable. Thus, it is a numerical equation. Now, sum D. 7 into 3 minus 19 equals to 18. It is an equation without any variable. Thus, it is a numerical equation. Now, sum E. 5 into 4 minus 8 equals to 2x. It is an equation with variable x. Now, sum F. X minus 2 equals to 0. It is an equation without any variable. Thus, it is a numerical equation. Now, sum G. 2m is less than 30. It is not an equation as it does not have equal to sign. Students, solve remaining sums by yourself. Thank you and have a wonderful day.